Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about essay writing. You usually get to know about 4 types, but here, for the sake of understanding, I have listed 5 types of essays and will go through them one by one with detail. Descriptive, narrative, expository, compare and contrast, persuasive or argumentative essay. So number 1 is descriptive. The word descriptive is derived from the word describe, which means to give enough description about something that would enable the reader to make image in mind, or other words that would paint a picture in reader's mind. In descriptive sort of essay, you have to use creative language and use sensory details. You don't need to find out facts and statistics. It is simple kind of essay. For example, if you are writing an essay on a haunted place, then you give the description of the place, that how the place looks like. You can describe the time, the whole scenario, etc. Now, the second type of essay is the narrative essay. Word narrative is derived from the word narrate, which means story writing. We can use another word for it, which is anecdotal, which means the kind of story. It shows your experience and your experiments or personal events or story. You can express yourself through this type of essay, but keep it in mind that you have to revolve around a central point. You have to remain in the context. For example, if you're writing an essay on the first day at school, then the first day at school is your personal experience, and you are to write the story or all your experiences of your first at school. That with how many people you met, what you have done at your school, etc. The third type of essay is expository essay. Expository is a kind of essay in which you give clarifications and logical views to the reader. Just imagine if you're writing an expository essay, then you are to give the logical details to the reader. So what you have to do is that you have to be straightforward and provide certain evidences. For example, why are you enjoying a particular teacher, or why you admire a particular person? You have to give the logical details to the reader about this particular topic. So you should be straightforward, and you have to provide the evidences and logical views. The fourth type of essay is as simple as anything can be. It is compare and contrast. So, in this very simple kind of essay, for example, let me explain this kind of essay with an example. City and village life. What you are to do in this kind of essay is that you have to enlist the advantages and the disadvantages, or what you called limitations, about city and village life. The advantages and disadvantages might go side by side, or first you can write all the advantages of city, then the disadvantages of city, and then further on you can write the advantages of village and disadvantages of village, and then comes to the conclusion. The fifth type of essay is the persuasive or argumentative essay. Now first, let me tell you that there is a difference between persuasive and expository essay. The difference between the persuasive and expository essay is that in persuasive or argumentative essay, you present your point of view, but with the facts and logical reasoning, while that in expository essay, you only need to write down the facts and logical reasoning. You don't need to show your point of view. So this is the major difference between persuasive or argumentative essay and expository essay. But the similarity lies in the logical reasoning and the facts. In both the essays, you can present the facts, figures, statistics and logics. But in persuasive or argumentative, actually you are argumenting to clear your point of view, which you are to present through the different logics and different facts. So here comes the end. These were the 5 different types of essays. Now, if you understand each and every type of essay, you can easily write your own outstanding essays without cramming through any kind of books. I hope this video helps you to clear your all concepts regarding the types of essays.